Hi, Anthony from Complete Podiatry. I wanted to spend a moment and talk to you about some of the things that you can do to help yourself if you're stuck at home and you're suffering from heel pain. Heel pain is really quite a common condition that we see in our clinics at Complete Podiatry. So we thought we'd show you some simple exercises you can do at home. The first one you can do here is to practice your ABCs. So sitting down, laying down, before you get up in the morning, draw your ABCs in capital letters with your feet. And this can often help to improve that first step pain that you get associated with heel pain in the mornings. Another great exercise that you can be doing is the ice bottle roll. Especially at the end of the day, we tend to find your heel pain gets worse the more active you are. So at the end of the day, you can be quite uncomfortable. So a good thing to do with a frozen bottle of water in plastic bottle is just roll your foot backwards and forwards over this. This helps to manage your pain. It also helps to start stretching that plantar fascia out gently. Another great stretch for plantar fascia is this one where you put your foot up against the wall and your toes on the wall as well. You can see in this situation that the toes are flexed, or extended I should say, and we're pushing forwards into that wall. What we're trying to do here is to just gently stretch that plantar fascia as well as the heel to see if we can relieve some of your pain. You can do this one in shoes as well if you find it too difficult just with bare feet. Another great way to help manage your pain and to stimulate some healing is a gentle massage of the arch structures. So using a cream, any cream is fine. We tend to avoid anti-inflammatory based creams because plantar fasciopathy or plantar fasciitis isn't actually an inflammation based condition a lot of the time. So using an anti-inflammatory can actually cause problems with your tummy and it can interact with other medications. So the best advice is to avoid the anti-inflammatories unless they're specifically prescribed for a specific condition. So using something like Physio Cream, Flexol that we have in the clinic, these are very effective little creams to help manage your pain. And the massage up and down that plantar fascia is a great way to get you started to reducing your pain and getting that fascia to heal up. Now what we need to start looking at is some strengthening exercises. So the first one we used to get clients doing is this simple, what we refer to as an isometric heel raise. So leaning against the wall, raising up onto your toes, try and keep on the big toe when you do this, and then lean your body weight over to one side. We tend to find this starts to build strength through the calf, the Achilles tendon, and also the plantar fascia. And it's a good starting point before we really start focusing in onto that plantar fascia region with the following exercise. The next exercise is based on a lot of research and has been shown to be very effective in helping to reduce your plantar heel pain. So this is similar to the previous exercise, but on this one you need to stand on a step and have a towel wrapped up underneath your toes to increase the tension on that plantar fascia. So with this exercise, you'll stand back, pull your feet back over the step, and then slowly raise up and down in a very controlled way so as to not put any additional stress on there. Control is the key with any of these exercises. You need to make sure that you're doing it in a controlled way to stop any stress.